नजर ना हम पे डालो, सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Everywhere, I mean, the whole Dubai is just only talking about being human.
It's got such an overwhelming response.
I know. How you're feeling it from inside,
I
Salman?
feel great. Yeah, really nice.
So how you're finding it, your collaboration with Landmark Group,
It's good so
with
far, so
Raza?
So far, so good. It's been really, really nice. We're the same page. We do the same things for being human. Things that we're planning are like with the next level, future is like a different level altogether. So we're really happy. Really nice guys.
Yeah, really nice.
Really nice guys. Yeah.
I think you have chosen the right human.
Yes, yeah, the credit goes to me.
Yes, definitely. You have got a very good eye to choose the right people, and which is, and Raza is also, I mean, he's known for his humanity here, and both of you are doing very good work.
Yeah, I'm glad that I'm associated with Raza.
How you find him as a human?
The human?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still being human. He's getting there.
Definitely.
He's amazing. He's incredible. Yeah, it's good to
What are your future plans, Salman, about the things for being human? Where you see you being human?
I see it on a different aspect, different scale altogether, but it's too easy to sort of talk about it. But right now, but what I want actually is just that every year the amount of people that we support, we help, it should increase by double or triple. Let's keep on and keep on and keep on.
So, actually, I'm covering it for the Indian. Do you have any message for our Indian community, people over here, for the Indian?
Yeah, I mean, I keep on getting these messages all the time. How do you support me? Well, there's your chance now. If you like what you see, if you like to wear clothes, if you like the t-shirt, the shirt, the jeans, whatever, watches, go buy them. That's one way to support the charity.
Definitely. So this is the best way to support is to buy a t-shirt and then support
buy and feel that the trust is not mine, the trust is yours.
Very true. Congratulations, it's such a good initiative, Salman.
Yeah, thank you.
Definitely.
Thanks.
Who came in early and got a chance to settle down, establish contacts, establish them. Agencies in the early days, back when we came here, by top quality and top service.
Right.
And that is what has actually helped us today. Yeah, Petrochem is a chemical distributor, and we store and stock chemicals in our large terminal in Jebel Ali, and we distribute chemicals to 27 countries. And we have offices which I said all around the world, in Singapore, China, London, Antwerp. So we promote the brand Petrochem.
Okay.
Rohan is also getting himself trained now in a refinery, a chemical refinery in Dallas. It's conducive for him to join the chemical industry. Definitely.
But you're a liberal father, that you're giving him a liberty at least,
Yes.
to think up.
That's the way to go. I hope he does. And we said we should get married, but of course we got married, and even then at a young age of 24, I got married to father. No, but seriously speaking, but she has been my pillar and my support.
आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
India
in UAE. This is something which was never planned. Yourself in the society doing interactive media, what we're doing, and also we stay in the UK.
Work for 2 years, but I choose my job.
But the goals, you know, you can say money came in from India. Money that, you know, you need proof, you need.
Is because of the faith people have in
having
freedom.
having a voice of nation, you know, the right way of using their power. Food
Yes,
business,
the
which
food
is the critic, you know.
I know where this
know.
is going.
After
This is my day. I get up in the morning, apply some makeup.
Flavor. But one that I enjoyed and we
The super tasty cake.
having
Your cake is on its way.
yeah, so cherry on the cake of Kritika. Attraction, the magnet is still there in between you.
Really? Yes, come on, Kritika, say yes.
So filmy. Very happy. Partners, don't lie.
Okay, I'm
She's
the
my
boss.
boss.
Yeah, okay, I'm doing it. I hope everybody.
Friends in India, there's work in India, there's great food in India.
Exactly.
It's a celebration of our achievements. It's a
Exactly.
celebration of us as a race, as a culture, and which you're doing. So I'm so glad that you took this initiative and you've just made this and you've flown with it quite literally.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really want people to see you there, and I want you to live there in their hearts for a long time.
Very
And
sweet.
nice.
जिंदगी अपनी बारी
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो, सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे